Coconut. Some people eat it, some people drink it. Today, we're making a fish trap out of it. Woo! What's going on, legends? Welcome back to another video. All right, today I am super excited for this one. So what I want to do, I want to make a fish trap out of this coconut. I've heard it's possible. I want to try it for myself. So we've got a coconut. What we're doing, we've got this little feeder creek which feeds this rice field here. We're going to try to make the trap, stick it under the bank there, leave it overnight. Hopefully in the morning we come back and there's some form of fish in there. I've got no idea what I'm doing, but this is sick. Let's get into it. So I'm going to start off, I reckon, got the trusty Leatherman out again. So I'm going to start off by making a small hole in the top of the coconut here. So that's pretty much the hole we got now. Let's see if there's some water in here. Of course there's going to be water in here. It's a bloody coconut. Ooh. Woo! Oh wow, look at that. How good's that? It's a little bit of coconut meat. Oh, mate, that's so good. All right, so what we got now, we got a little bit of a hole. She's full of coconut water. Oh. All right, so this is what we're dealing with. So we've got the hole in the coconut. I reckon that'll be big enough. Surely the fish are not gonna be any bigger than that anyway. All right, so we've done that. It's now for step 2. What I want to do is make a little, sort of like toothpicks, something like a toothpick looking thing. So we're going to slice down the middle here of this bamboo. Oh, that is perfect. Wow, I nearly cut my hand off. If I can make a couple of these, that's going to be sick. Can you imagine if we actually get a fish in this trap? That's it, my life will be complete if we get something in this trap. It's so good. This is our hole in our coconut. These are the sharp sticks. I want to knock them all in from all different angles. So it goes all the way around. This is actually so funny. So there's 2 local guys just standing over there watching me. And they're probably thinking, what is this weirdo doing? Making a coconut fish trap in a tiny little stream. Anyway, I love this. I'm not sure if we're gonna, I don't even know if this is gonna work, but anyway, it's fun. Oh, that's looking good. They are really sharp. That's looking really good, actually. Sick. After a fair bit of time, this is what we're going to be dealing with. So what I want to happen is, I'm going to fill it up with bait, some sort of a natural bait I find around here. Stick it in there. What I'm hoping the fish swims in, like squeezes itself in there, and they can't really find a way out because these are pretty sharp. And yeah, I might squish them up a little bit closer just so the fish can get actually trapped in there, but that's kind of what we're going to go with. That's kind of the deal. Alrighty guys, so that trap is pretty much done. That's pretty much what I was thinking of doing. I can't think of anything else, to be honest. So that's what we're going to use. Now I'm just going to find a couple of worms, bugs, I don't know. Look at this, mate. It's just bananas just growing on a tree. That is so dope, actually. And there's a random horse walking by. Okay. There's the worms at. Bugs, worms, anything. No worms. No worms here. How are you, buddy?
Okay.
Do you reckon I'm gonna get a catch? Do you reckon I'll catch fish in that trap?
Oh.
You reckon? Yeah. Getting a little bit of local knowledge here. Trying to find a couple of worms or bugs because I'm struggling. That cockroach. Ah. This is how it's done. So all I need is like 3 worms and we're on.
Yeah.
Yes, mate, that's a worm. Look at that. Well, that bloke's a bloody legend, isn't he? So we ended up getting this many worms. There should be enough, I reckon. Our worms are on the stick. So I've put the worms on a stick purely so they don't crawl out of the trap. So this is the trap. What I'm just gonna do, stick these worms in there. Try to bend that stick around the corner. Exactly like that. So now those worms in there, they won't be able to wiggle out overnight. Pretty much now, put that trap, I'm gonna put it under that banana tree there. We'll leave it there overnight. Come back in the morning, fingers crossed, we got a fish. Old mate says we're gonna get one. We're gonna get a fish, eh?
Yeah.
Bloody oath we are. All right, guys, let's put this trap in the water. All right, this is the moment of truth. We've got our trap, we've made our trap, we've got the worms inside. So what I want to do, I'm just going to stick it under this, what is it called? Banana tree here. Try to wedge it in there so it doesn't move overnight. There's no water really moving here, so it's all good. Woo, this is it. Look at that thing. Oh my God, if this works. So just under that, under this banana tree is like a bit of a hollowing, so I'm going to stick it in there. There she is. She's set. That's our trap. Oh my God, if I wake up in the morning and there's a fish in that trap, absolute frothing. Come back in the morning, hey buddy?
Good morning.
Morning. All right, we'll see you guys in the morning. Whew. All right, after a very sleepless night, I was absolutely just, my head was doing circles thinking if I'm gonna get something in this trap, so I'm on my way there now. Actually woke up this morning and got some super fun waves. It was actually pumping, so good way to start the day. I'm on my trusty scooter. I'm about 10 minutes away from where I set that trap. All right, this is it, the moment of truth. This is the walk in to the fish trap. Wow, there's a lizard. Whoa, the river's changed a bit overnight. There's a bit of water movement. There's heaps of shit in the water today, look at that. Anyway, all right guys, moment of truth. Here goes nothing. Oh no, I can't even feel it. Oh, it's on. Oh! Oh my God! No way, dude! Oh! No! Oh! Oh! Dude! Look at this! Oh my God! We've actually got a bloody fish in the trap. Oh, let's get it out. No way! It actually worked! Wow, these little bamboo sticks have actually really stuck into him. That's amazing. Oh, oh, oh. No way, guys. Look at the size of the bloody thing. Yo. We just caught a bloody catfish in a coconut. I'm shaking. Look at the size of it. No way, man. Wow. There's the worms. Nah, the worms are gone. Alright, so I did this video purely as a joke because 3 of my mates dared me to do this video. I never would have thought that I would catch this. Just for a bit of perspective, right? It goes from my fingertip to my elbow. Are you kidding me? That's amazing, mate. Wow, fishing with a coconut trap in Bali. Bruh. Woo! That's blown my mind. All right, we got him in the trap. I'm not sure how long he's been in there for, but he's still alive, he's still kicking. So we're gonna let him go. Mate, can you believe that we actually just did that? Caught this beautiful catfish in a coconut. Mind blown. Anyway, guys, I'm not gonna keep him. That was just a challenge, successful challenge. So we're gonna let him go. We'll see if he swims off. There he goes. Back into the little creek where you come from, buddy. I'm mind blown. I'm frothing. I'm going home. That was sick. See you in the next one, guys. Woo! Can't believe we just got a catfish that big in that coconut. Mate, I'm frothing. That was so sick. Anyway, guys, much love. Thank you so much for watching. And see you in the next one. Yeah!